Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva Pro subscription not working after payment. First, open Canva and log in with the account that you have purchased Pro on. Then go to settings of your phone and then go to subscriptions and see if Canva is available there or not. After, if inactive, then you will have to make it active and log out and log back into Canva. Safety tip: keep receipts of your purchase for verification. Quick fix: contact Canva support with your payment info if it still does not work. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.